Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to do some basic filtering and what filtering is used for. So let's say, for example, we're working with this data set here. Now I'm going to come all the way across and come all the way down. I'm going to go over to data and hit filter. Now another thing you may have noticed here is you can use the shortcut Control-Shift-L, but we can just hit the filter button for now. So coming up to the top, you might have noticed already there are these tabs here. These tabs allow you to filter the column. So like, let's say I just wanted to see West. So I'm going to uncheck all of them and I'm only going to check West. And this is going to give me the values that are from segment that says West. Now another thing you can do is, let's say you wanted to filter this data here, user ID, and you wanted to get the people who start with the letter S, for example. You can come to begins with and you can put in S. Now as you can see, there are a lot of different options here. It gives you a lot of versatility. You can even look at contains, for example. So looking at this one here, GRNJ, let's say you didn't know it started with a G, you would put ARNJ. But let's start with S first. So you can see it gives me all of the users that start with the letter S. And then let's say I wanted to go even further and I wanted to look at just the ones that are on the East Coast. And then I can go down even further. So I can use the columns to filter out different things, or search for just specific things. Like let's say I just wanted to find Macs. These would be sources Macs, so these would be Macs from users to start with the letter S that are on the East Coast. And this is something that's a very versatile tool, but keep in mind that when you have lots of data, you're going to want to slice and dice it in many different ways. So like, let's say for example you wanted to indicate that in a separate column. What you could do is you can right click, come to insert, and you can just put this as, let's say, notes, for example. Alright, so let's say we wanted to find, let's do West Coast this time, where let's say user ID, and instead of begins with, we'll say contains, and we'll just make something simple like Kelly. As you can see, these all contain the letters Kelly. And then let's say we want to look at just the Macs from Kelly, right? And then we want to put in here, let's see, Kelly's Macs. I can copy all the way down, paste. So now, let's say for example I'm working on something else, so I have to unfilter this data, and I want to know, okay, which file IDs are Kelly's Macs, or from Kelly's Mac. Select just Kelly's Mac, and then boom, I know, okay, these file IDs belong to Kelly and they're from the Mac. So this is just a basic example. Try it out on your own a little bit, and if you have any questions, let me know. But keep in mind that this is just a really great simple tool that allows you to slice and dice information, and I'll talk to you guys later.